Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a very simple Brussels sprout recipe. What I have here is 3 pounds of Brussels sprout. And the first thing you need to do about Brussels sprout, just peel off the outer layer a little bit. Just peel a few of them off. Right here, I already did that for all of this. And here, and then wash them with cold water. And you want to cut the this part out a little bit, and then just split it in half like that. And not a lot of people like Brussels sprout, because it's like a cabbage, but somehow it has that bitter taste. So one way to get rid of bitter taste is to season your to season the Brussels sprout with salt. Salt kind of take that bitterness away. So that's what we're gonna do here before we put in roast this in the oven, season with salt. All right, and just put into a big bowl like this, and put some olive oil on there. So coat it very good with olive oil. So I have olive oil right here. It's about 2 teaspoons of that. Put in the coarse sea salt. So that's about, I put about a teaspoon of it. Somehow the salt will take away the bitterness of the Brussels sprout, like that. And then some ground up pepper, ground black pepper. And the next thing, I'm put a little bit of this Italian seasoning. So about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. About half a teaspoon of garlic salt. Just mix it really good. I got a baking pan right here. Just put everything in a baking pan. And so make sure the cut side is put the cut side down. All right. So I got the oven ready at I already preheat the oven to 400 degrees, so bake it on a 400 degree heat, and for 30 minutes. All right, it's about 30 minutes now. Let's take a look. Okay, all right, start to all right, that's what we want right here. Looks good. Yeah, let's plate this up. So the last thing is just put a little bit of balsamic vinegar on top. This is gonna add a little sourness to it. It's about, I would put about 2 teaspoons of this. All right. If you want a little spicy, just put some crushed red pepper flakes. So this is a final product, roasted Brussels sprout recipe, and this is very delicious, especially at the end when I add the balsamic vinegar, add that little sourness to it, and some pepper flakes. If you want some spiciness, let's give it a taste. Mmm. Mmm. It's so tender, and you can it's so really tender in the middle. Salty outside, tender in the middle. That little sour and a little spicy from the pepper flakes. Very delicious. And if you never cook Brussels sprout this way before, please give it a try. And so if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye. Mmm. Mmm. This is good. Very delicious. Mmm. Delicious.